If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Bitcoin Update today. So this is gonna be a very quick update on Bitcoin cause not feeling so good. My throat, it hurts due to winter, and from yesterday video we talked about Bitcoin. We saw that Bitcoin is ready to move all the way up to $17,500. So right now we are actually pumping to the upside. So Monday opened up really good, and you can see that the intention is to actually move a little bit higher. But that's one thing I want to talk about, that today if you do end up closing in $17,300, that would be amazing. And if tomorrow you continue up on Tuesday, and by Tuesday you close at 17,500, then you are looking for a 3 white soldiers, which is again a 3 green candle back to back, and we could have another pattern forming in the future as well. And right now, since I cannot speak too much, I guess I'm just gonna end up this video. Oh my goodness, oh my throat. So basically right now, that's pretty much it. You have 17,449 on the cards. Let's see what happens. But one more thing is that you are even getting rejected with the 55 EMA. Technical targets normally do not get met, or if you end up shooting up to 17,449 today, then you gotta be careful, because the last time you did this thing, you saw a shooting star. Even though the technical target was met, the very same day the sellers stepped in and they pushed the prices even lower. So that's something you have to keep in mind today. And that's pretty much it for this update. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.